Hello, I'm Peter Towers, Managing Director of ESS BIZTOOLS. Welcome to Accountants Minute. Crowdsourced funding equity raising gives accounting firms an entry to advisory services. The Financial Review published their top 100 accounting firms report for 2019 this week, and they indicated that many top 100 firms have expanded into higher margin consulting and Chief Financial Officer services for their clients. Crowdsourced funding equity raising presents a perfect introduction to small and medium-sized accounting firms to be offering a broader range of professional services to your clients. To get ready to be able to present to the public as a crowdsourced funding equity raising company, a client would have to make sure that their business plan was prepared for the next 3 years, budgets and cash flow forecasts for the next 3 years. They will need an understanding of the crowdsourced funding equity raising process, and in particular, the responsibilities, duties and powers of the crowdsourced funding intermediaries. And then they will need a crowdsourced funding offer document to be prepared. Not many small, medium-sized enterprises are going to be able to undertake that work without professional advice. I think there is a great opportunity for accountancy firms who are servicing the small and medium-sized enterprise markets up to turnovers of $25 million to be able to really add value to your clients and to your own accountancy businesses by proactively offering these services. In fact, I did a calculation. If the 55 companies who have raised capital until the end of October this year had utilised professional services at an average cost of $25,000, this would have amounted to $1.3 million in expenditure. And if 70% of those 55 companies then retained their own accountants to undertake a virtual Chief Financial Officer service, that would generate around $1.9 million for accountancy firms if you valued those services at an average of $50,000. That's interesting money, isn't it? And here we are at the start of a new financial year, or the planning for a new financial year, and everything that goes with it. This whole market could emerge as a great market for your accountancy firm to embrace. So why not join us for a free webinar on Wednesday the 20th of November at 11:30 a.m. AEST, 12:30 p.m. AEDT, where we will give you an overview of the opportunities for accountancy firms to be able to claim the crowdsourced funding equity raising market as yours so that you can grow with your clients. Have a great day. Goodbye.